Hi everyone, my name is Christy and welcome to my Trying a New Makeup Product Everyday series. I am so excited right now because I am going to be trying out the Tarte Maracuja Juicy Lip Cream. And oh my gosh, my sister-in-law is the best because she got me this massive pack of Tarte lip products for Christmas and I love the Tarte lip products. I've only tried the Maracuja, I don't even know how to pronounce that, Juicy Lip before, but it turns out they make a bunch of other versions of the Maracuja lip product from Tarte, and this lip cream sounds incredible. So I have this in 3 different shades here, and this is supposed to be transfer proof, which is one of my favorite qualities for a lip product because I want it to be able to last all day long. I don't want it to be coming off whenever my lips touch anything through eating and drinking, but this is also supposed to be super hydrating. And I feel like a lot of the times you have to compromise. If it's going to be hydrating, then it's not going to be transfer proof. But it sounds like this lip product brings everything that I look for together in one product. So this is vegan, cruelty-free, and it does come in a bunch of different shades, all kind of the neutral nudes type of color story. But this is a tribrid, so hybrid but with 3, and it's a lip balm, lipstick, and lip treatment all in one. It's supposed to be transfer proof color with 12 hours of hydration, which you can probably tell my lips are so horribly dry right now. They look terrible. So chapped, so dry. They are so dull in color too because of how dry they are. So I love that this has color to it along with the hydration and transfer proof quality. And it also has so many nourishing ingredients in it. The list goes on and on. But let's get into some swatches. So first, this one is called Mauve, and it's a twist up from the top type of packaging. And so we've got Mauve. Oh, beautiful color. Trying to see if this has a smell. I don't think I'm really getting any sort of scent to this, and that is totally fine. Next up, I've got Iris. Ooh, another very similar shade, maybe just a little bit more red. And then we've got Cranberry. Yep, with a little bit more, cranberry red, a little darker there. All of these shades, though, are so wearable and just very easy to complement other colors that you might be wearing with eyeshadows. And here are how those swatches look. They definitely seem creamy with some good pigment. And they do have some shine to them. And they're creamy, so I'm very surprised that these are supposed to be transfer proof. But okay, I'm just gonna reach for one at random. Oh, and I landed on Cranberry. And I'm so excited to put this on my lips. I seriously hope this is going to be very hydrating. I'm so embarrassed of how my lips look right now. I think with this cranberry shade in particular, I would want to use a lip liner with it just because with this round shape, it's a little hard to get the crisp edges on my top lip here. But oh my gosh, this feels like a balm. It feels so nice. It initially was clinging to the dry patches on my lips, but then I just rubbed my lips together and those dry patches are gone. My lips look smoothed out, hydrated, and wow, this color, it actually is not very nude and looks much more red, very festive, a very pretty shade. And as far as reds go, pretty easy to pull off. Yeah, everything about this looks so beautiful on the lips. It's got a little bit of shine, it's hydrating, it's smooth, even color. I just really think there's going to be transfer because it feels like a lip balm on the lips. But let's find out. That is transfer. I'm so confused right now. Why is this claiming all over the Ulta website that it's transfer proof? There is plenty of transfer. Yep, it says transfer proof even on the Tarte website. There's nothing in the directions on how to use it that says how to make this transfer proof, but I think this might be a newer product because I couldn't find much other information on this, and it did fade a bit from that transfer. So I love everything about this, but it's not transfer proof. So that's just a misleading claim. I wish it didn't say that because then that kind of gets my hopes up and now I'm let down. But if I thought this was just, you know, like a creamy lipstick, I'd be like, wow, this is so beautiful, hydrating, great color. So all of that is true. But if you're like me and you love a transfer proof lip product, be careful with the claims on this because there is so much transfer and it's just going to completely fade and come off throughout eating and drinking. But hey, if you've tried these out and maybe yours are transfer proof or you found a way to make this transfer proof, let me know about that in the comments down below. And thank you so much for watching my video today. Be sure to like, comment, and subscribe to my channel so you can see the makeup that I try every day. And I will see you tomorrow in my next video.